Hello, my name is Alex Bofferman, and this is my presentation for the calculator application. My calculator is a unit converter. This application will come in handy for people that are traveling to other countries, specifically from the US, since the US uses a different metric method. Here are some of my sketches that I made. As you can see, it was a pretty simple design with lines and squares. After some feedback, I noticed that using other shapes would help my application become more visually attractive to the user. So I started using circles, and the squares were still there for the wireframes, and this is how I created my first rough design. After some testing, the users would become a little bit confused with how many squares they were, and they didn't really know where to click and where not to click. So I decided to go for this circular design. And this one was even more confusing because they didn't know which direction it was going, in order for them to know which spaces to input their information or their numbers. Then I opted to this design. And this design, though, the user will be able to input a number, to choose a unit and a unit to convert it to, and then they would click on this to be able to see the result. But I forgot to create a section where the result will display. So then this design came about, and I thought this was my final design, but it was not. I needed to edit a lot of things according to colors and drop-down menus and the blur in the background when the menu is down and things like that. So my final design I will show in the prototype. So just a second. Okay, so right here, this is my prototype. So as you open it up, you would sign in. The reason why I created a login is because there is a function where the user is able to save certain units to their favorites. So this is the simple design that I went for. I added this little icon here so that the user is able to quickly reverse the conversion. And here the user will be able to input their number, whatever it is, choose a unit, and a unit to convert it to. And without clicking a button, the calculator will automatically just display the result. User will be able to add certain units to their favorites, as I had mentioned. And also they'll be able to access this drop-down menu in which they can find the favorite units that they have saved, a history of what they have looked before, some help in case they have questions, some settings, and this one is a little bit more into detail. They're able to edit their favorites lists if they want to delete any of their favorites. They're able to turn the sound on or off on their calculator. They're able to delete their history, change their passwords, and delete their accounts. They're also able to log out from right here, which will bring them back to the login page. Thank you so much. This was my calculator. Bye.